be free.
Afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing today on this Sunday? I believe in French it is dimanche. I don't know. I failed French in grade 9. So, why did I bring that up? I have absolutely no idea. How is everybody doing, man? How is everybody doing? I know, guys. I know I was muted. I wanted you guys to, hold on. Just like that. I wanted you guys to like know what I was mouthing to you. I was trying to mouth it to you. Guys, listen, today we got, listen, despite, hold the phone. Let me get my levels correct here. Guys, how do I sound? Chat, how do I sound? Do I sound good? Listen, guys, despite absolutely nothing going correct, or not nothing going correct, despite absolutely nothing happening over the weekend, we have quite quite a bit to talk about, okay? The thumbnail and the title is not clickbait, okay? We do have a very big move coming, and we're gonna be talking about that move. So yeah, but before we talk about the move, man, I gotta say, first of all, man, I don't stream on Sundays. I don't stream weekends. However, where's my hold on, where's my man, OBS, man. OBS. Freaking OBS. Can I get these chat? Can I get this on chat? Nah, man. OBS, bro. You can't. Why are you doing this to me, OBS? Why are you doing this to me, OBS? Guys, I have my voice back, and we don't stream Sundays, and for whatever reason, I can't get the chat up. So, you know what, you guys? I would love to put you on the screen, but it doesn't look like OBS is allowing me to do that right now because OBS sucks. So, you guys are not going to be on the screen, but I will still answer your comments. What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. Who's in the chat here? We got Rendell. Shouts out Rendell. We got Rihards. How are you, man? So I guess no sub 40 anymore. Interesting. Okay, so Rye Guy is kind of a fly guy. First of all, that is a fly ass username, bro. Okay, that is a fly ass username. And we're gonna talk about the guest no sub 40 anymore, because if you guys remember my my thumbnail, actually, you know what, why would I expect you guys to remember? Not that you have bad memories, but I have a bad memory. And anyway, whatever, man, I'm rambling. Listen, I don't do this on Sundays, okay? Cut me some black today, some slack today, not some black today. Oh man, I haven't done this in 2 days. I'm not used to it. Guys, look, Friday's stream was Bitcoin looks weak, okay? It's there, it's printed, I cannot change it. All right, there is no doubt my last few thumbnails have been read here, okay? And so I've been talking about a potential move to the downside. And you know what's actually funny is this on Friday. So we've had literally nothing happen, guys. Like literally nothing has happened on Bitcoin the entire weekend. Literally right after Friday's stream, what happened? So I was actually expecting lower. I was expecting market structure to be respected. We were looking for shorts on Friday. This is where we left off, somewhere around here. We were looking for shorts after market structure flipped bearishly on the 15-minute time frame, okay? Where's my highlighter tool? After this happened, guys, okay, and then we flipped bearishly. Like once it went up, down, and we flipped bearishly, I was looking for a lower high to then make a lower low. Absolutely, okay? 100% I was looking for that. Now, on Friday's stream, they like tripped us up. I'm not going to sit here and say that I didn't get stopped out. I got stopped out on Friday because I expected market structure to be respected. I did take profit, and then I got stopped out at not even my entry because I didn't move it to my entry. I got stopped out of my invalidation, which was up here. So I actually did take a little bit of a loss on Friday. It happens. Maybe I should have took more profit. Maybe I should have been less greedy. Maybe I should have moved my stop loss to the entry, but you know, coulda, shoulda, woulda. Nonetheless, what happened as a result of this move? I got off stream because I lost my voice. I got off stream on Friday around here, okay? And right after, guys, immediately after the stream, I updated my VI peeps, okay? In the VIP Discord, I updated my VI peeps, and I said, where is it? Let me find it. What day is it today? Okay, I said here, wait, it was I think it might have been a video. Oh, right here. Okay. So this was on Friday. Okay. And right away, guys, immediately after stream, I updated this. I sent this picture, which I'll go back to in a second here. And I said, technically, we are SFPing the high on the 15-minute, meaning the target is now the low, which would be a wild ass play by the market makers. Okay. And it is absolutely a wild ass play. Am I muted this whole time? Don't tell me I'm muted this whole time. I'm not repeating all that. There's no way. Am I good? Mic 1, 2. Guys, don't tell me I'm muted. I'm not muted. There's no way. You guys 100% should be able to hear me. Don't tell me I'm muted. Don't tell me. Hold on. Okay, no. I can hear myself. I'm not muted. By the way, guys, shouts out to everybody that's in the chat. Shouts out to everybody that's in the chat for the very first time. So I don't know who that is, but if you are here for the first time, let me know that you're here for the first time. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Okay, cool. Guys, let me know that you're here for the first time. If you're here for the first time, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, which is kind of what I'm doing right now. So listen. So Friday, you know, we talked about that, about this SFP. And I mean, technically, guys, look, like I'm telling you, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed since Friday. Like we've been doing nothing, a bunch of nothing. But technically the target, right? If you're just following basic market structure rules, guys, basic market structure. Let's even come to the 30-minute time frame. We don't need to be on the 15. We can come to the 30. It's still relevant on the 30. It's still relevant on the 1 hour. Pick your poison, man. It doesn't matter. Pick your poison. Pick your favorite time frame. Doesn't matter. Look, let's do it on the 30 because it looks like it's a good place to do it on the 30. Let's hide the value areas. Let's just keep it simple, man. I'm going to keep it very simple. Guys, listen. Market structure is absolutely king. Okay? Market structure is king. So just take a look, man. Look, we had down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, SFP. Okay? Down, up, SFP. As soon as you SFP this high, which is why I have it drawn as I do here. As soon as you SFP the high, I'm going to even hide everything else. I want to make it very easy to see for my newcomers that might not know what we're talking about here. As soon as you SFP, guys, SFP, because I get this question every single day. SFP, oh, Dave Digital, I got to give you the wrench, bro. I got to give you the wrench, man. You got to hop on my thing here. Anyways, look, as soon as you SFP the high, technically the target is the low that put in that high, okay? And keep in mind, guys, keep in mind that we were not even supposed to, like, not supposed to. Anything can happen in crypto. But as per market structure rules, when we broke bearishly here, bro, you have to unmute. Bro, yo, stop jabs, bro. Don't mess with me like that. Listen, as soon as we put in this low and then we couldn't take the high, this move was already a manipulated move. And we're going to talk about this range because we got to, oof, this range, man. These market makers are tricky. Now, I'll get there in a second. But look, as soon as we SFP that high, this automatically becomes your target, okay? Check marks the spot, boys and girls. Shouts out to Val. Val's in the chat. Val, good to see you here. Listen, check marks the spot. This was your X. Check marks the spot. This is the low that failed to take out the previous high. And this was already a manipulated move. We already know what's the number one rule when it comes to market cipher. When you have a green dot, you got to look to the left and say your vectors can get recovered. So 100%. I expected the retracement back in. Did I expect to come all the way up and take the high? Absolutely not. And like I said, I did get stopped out on Friday. But nothing changes. And actually, this SFP was a hella bearish move. And it is very vindictive. That's going to be the word of the day. Y'all know. Yeah, Matt and Jabs. That's going to be my word of the day. It is very vindictive of manipulation and a move back down to the downside. So, let's recap. Friday, I said I thought price was gonna go down. Friday, shouts out to Randy, who doesn't answer me ever, who doesn't answer my Instagram, my tweets. I mean, I've only tweeted it like once. Doesn't answer me, doesn't acknowledge my existence, but that's okay. It's okay. Shouts out to her because on Friday I posted. I'm like, oh man, that's awkward because on the same day, I'm like, yo, Bitcoin looks weak, and she's like, bullish weekend. And sure enough, her and I exactly canceled each other out. Anyways, listen. Why is this range super important? And why is the manipulation in this range kind of a tip off here? Okay. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I mean, I talk about market cipher better than, I mean, in my opinion, better than anybody else on YouTube. Nobody teaches this the way that I do. And we're going to be doing market cipher analysis as well. I'm going to teach you guys how to build the narrative using market cipher. So make sure you stick around. And by the way, I do a bootcamp giveaway every 100 likes, okay? Every 100 likes, I do a bootcamp giveaway. And I got 4 bootcamps. I got market structure bootcamps. I got key zones and building the narrative. I got order blocks, liquidity, and market cipher V and time frames, okay? They're each 4 hours long, between 3 and 4 hours long. And I do a giveaway every 100 likes, okay? So if I can get, depending on, it's up to you guys, however much you guys want to like the video. If I can get those likes on this video, I will be absolutely doing bootcamp giveaways. And today, because it's my first Sunday ever streaming, I'm going to do a VIP Discord giveaway as well. I don't know how long it's going to be, so make sure you stick around for that. Anyways, listen. This range, hold on. When vocals? The vocals are coming, bro. The vocals are coming. Can you shout you out? All right, Xtaban. 150. Shouts out to you, bro. Listen, if I could put you on the screen, I would. But OBS is being absolutely a nightmare. Okay. So look, we are getting manipulation in this range. We saw it on Friday. Randy Bobandy. We saw it on Friday. We're getting manipulation in this range. In my opinion, there was maybe I missed it. I can't sit here and say I didn't miss anything. But this move didn't make sense to me. Okay? We got tripped up a little bit. No problem. All right, no problem. But when you're building the narrative, and we gotta zoom out. We gotta talk about the macro. Okay, let's talk about the macro. And remember, we talk about building the narrative all the time. When you are building the narrative, you need to understand where you are in the macro level. You need to understand where your levels are. You need to understand how you got there. You need to understand what your targets are, where your SFPs are, and everything else. Okay, Adam, we are going to be doing a VIP Discord giveaway, but the free Discord is in the link in the description. So go click the link. If you're not already in the Discord, we will be absolutely happy to have you here. Now listen, guys, when you're building the narrative, you got to go over what I just said. You got to know where you came from. You got to know how you got there. You got to know where the vector candles are. Okay, you got to know all this stuff. Now, if I pull up my key zones, you can see very clearly, vindictive, yeah. You can see very quickly. This guy says, keep it quick, dog. I'm getting there, man, okay? I'm getting there, bro. You can see very easily here that we hit our key zone, okay? We're finding resistance. We took this liquidity above this high as expected. Now, when it comes to your daily market structure, okay? Market structure on your daily time frame. We've talked about this till we were blue in the face. You had down, up, broke bearishly. So already this high is a protected high. Price should not, despite what you think with your other YouTubers and their thumbnails and the I'm way too bullish and everything else, Bitcoin's going at 100 million. As per market structure, guys, this is the first time we're getting weakness in like 3.5, 4 months. For 4 months, we've been in an uptrend. Okay? So, we flip bearishly. This is a protected high, and we are essentially looking for a lower high. Okay, wait, real quick, guys. Disclaimer. Thank you for the reminder, bro. Phil, thank you for the reminder. Shouts out, Phil. Guys, disclaimer real quick. I got to do it. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is really real. Richie, shouts out to Matt, said that women drivers equals no survivors. Hey, cancel him. Cancel that guy. I'm telling you, cancel him. He said it, not me. Don't shoot the messenger, boy. What else can I say? Trudeau. We're not even going to go there, guys. We're not even going to go there. You got some homework. Go to Doctor of Dump and Pump YouTube. I watched a video from 4 days ago. He lines okay. All right. So. Yeah, shouts out to Matt, bro. Shouts out to Matt. So listen. We're looking for the lower high. Okay? We're looking for the lower high. And we're in macro resistance. And we've been in this macro resistance for a very long time. Guys, what do I teach you? Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And I teach you how to build a narrative. Why do consolidations happen? Does anybody know the answer? Why do consolidations happen? Let's play a game. Is it A, so that the RSIs have a chance to reset? Is it B, so that the institutions have a chance to purchase? Or is it C, to build up liquidity in either direction until the market makers are satisfied with where they want to go? They build up enough orders and then they make a run for the liquidity, aka they follow the money, aka they create the money, and it's our job to follow the money, rather. Is it A, B, or C, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it 30 seconds. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. I'm a great MC. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Just came to say what's up. Time with the fam. Hey, enjoy your time with the fam, B-Rad. Shouts out to you, bro. Appreciate you. Blaze says, Gio, you're doing the Lord's work. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Guys, I wanna get your comments up on the screen, but I can't. It's not working. It's like literally not working. Like how upsetting. How upsetting. All right, whatever. All right, we're getting some C's in the chat. Oof. Thank God, Matt. You are so late, bro. You are super late. Super late. All right. Market maker building. Okay. So now that we know that all of the retail people that draw triangles and draw starfishes and whatever else they draw, okay, now that we know that they all now that we know that all their narrative building, ooh, we have to reset the RSIs. The institutions need a chance to, man, shut up. Listen, now that we know that that's out of the question, okay? This is a manipulated range. When they hold price like this, they are building orders, guys. They're building orders. Why is my thumbnail and title that a big move is coming? Whenever we have really tight consolidation, okay? Super tight. Naughty. Really tight, okay? They're building the positions. And they're going to send price. There is an indicator. If you don't know, it is an OG indicator. It is called Bollinger Bands, okay? Basically, I have a Bollinger Bands strategy when it comes to Market Cipher. And because I am as versed as I am with Market Cipher, listen, hear me out. When you have your Bollinger Bands contracting vindictively, word of the day, you know a big move is coming. Let's go back in time and let's find the last time that your 2-hour where your 2-hour Bollinger Bands were, what's the word, contracting like this. We had a big move to the downside, did we not? Now listen, when it comes to your Bollinger Bands, I actually really like the Bollinger Bands. I haven't made a video on them yet. I will. I promise I will. But when it comes to your Bollinger Bands, you need to look at them in a way that these are walls, okay? We got walls, and think of like a door, or like a door. Think of it as a door, rather, okay? So right now we're on the 2-hour time frame. We're getting a red vector candle coming into the lower part of the Bollinger Band, and you can see the door is opening, okay? If the candle is ever covering the lower band, look at the top, because they are mirrored. This door is opening. It is opening. We are getting that trumpet kind of thing. I have a trumpet on my wall over there. We are getting that trumpet kind of look, and the door is opening right now on the 2-hour time frame, okay? Now, another one of the easiest, guys, this is the easiest strategy ever. It is so freaking easy. If you have Market Cipher, anybody can do this if you have Market Cipher, okay? When you are having your Bollinger Bands contracting as they are, all you got to do is follow the money. All you have to do is follow the money. 9 times out of 10, when you have contracting Bollinger Bands, it will break in the direction of your money flow. Look at this. We're on the 1 hour. We have contracting. See how it expands here? Then it starts to contract. 9 times out of 10, it will break in the direction of your money flow. Money flow is turning into the green. We break up. Look over here. Money flow is coming down. It's coming out. We get our dump. 9 times out of 10. Okay? So what is currently happening on the 1 hour time frame, while we are starting to have our contracting Bollinger Bands, where's our money flow? Money flow is coming down. Okay, money flow is coming out. So if money flow is coming out, and we know 9 times out of 10, we're gonna break in the direction of money flow. And not just that, now we're gonna pair it with the other time frames. What's going on the daily? Guys, the daily time frame looks absolutely abysmal. This looks horrible. This looks horrific. I don't even know how to say, man. Guys, this looks horrible. Anybody that tells you Bitcoin looks bullish right now, they have no idea. Man, this looks horrible. This looks like the lower high could be here, and it looks like we're going to come and take the low. On Twitter, I posted days ago, where are we? Let me find it. Days ago, guys, I posted, do not be warned. Oh, that's not the right one. Akko Taco, where are we? Do not be warned if you see this. This was on January the 28th. It is currently February 4th, a week ago. I posted this. Do not be warned if we see this. And we're still in the same range that we were in. I'm just saying. Word of the day made your day. Kelly says, wow, you're all over the place. Bollinger Band Cipher structure. I don't know if that means good or bad, but You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So guys, look, we're in a manipulative zone. We are trying to induce traders into thinking that price is going to go in a direction, okay? When we are at a macro level, and we are expecting a lower high, okay? Macro resistance, lower high. Shouts out to Hish. Macro resistance, lower high is our expectational order flow on the daily time frame. And your daily time frame looks the way that it looks right now. We got dots coming to the downside. We had our listen, let me undo this. Let me get rid of the key zones. Let me get rid of the macro range. Let me get rid of the Bollinger Bands. Let me make it super easy, guys. I cannot make it any more easier than this. On my channel, my last 4 videos are 4 fire market cipher videos. 4 fire. If this is your first time here, guys, go check those videos out, man. Listen, go check them out. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but go check them out. This is your spike wave, okay? This is your spike wave. Guys, I don't say anchor wave, trigger wave, because they kind of trip me up, and they don't really, like, for me, I like my own terms, right? We have significant waves, we have insignificant waves, and now, created on my last stream, we have spike waves. This is absolutely a spike wave. And then when you're getting that followed spike wave with another red dot with money very clearly coming out on the daily time frame, guys, this does not look good. Shall I say more? Shall I continue? Guys, how many likes do we have right now, man? I give you all the heat every single day. I don't even know what our likes are at. Where are my likes? 88 likes and 182. Guys, I do a bootcamp giveaway every single 100 likes. And if we can get to 200 likes today, I will do a a VIP Discord giveaway. Which, by the way, in my VIP Discord, I give many updates many times a day, even when price is doing nothing. Because I know what it's like to trade alone. And I know what it's like to have an update and then you think otherwise. So I hop in and I'm like, guys, don't trade this weekend because volume is extremely low. And we're probably going to get a horrific move. And you're going to get tripped up on every single divergence possible. Look at this. I do not recommend trading when volume is this low, okay? If you were feeling FOMO this weekend and you were in my Discord, and I tell you this, it's a sense of like reassurance, okay? And that's not to say that I'm better than you. Not at all. Not at all. But it's just a reminder, okay? That, hey, don't be stupid kind of thing. And I'm in there all the time. And we're on live stream all the time. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to DV. Says stop being a hater and hit the like button already. It costs you nothing. Hey, DV, since you mentioned that, let me just say, guys, I am very proud to say last week was a huge week, man. Last week was a huge week. I am very proud to say that I am officially sponsored by Market Cipher, okay? I am no longer just an affiliate. I am officially sponsored by them. They got a great team, man. Oh, man, it was an absolute pleasure speaking with them. Shouts out to CryptoFace. Shouts out to Nick Cipher. Shouts out to their whole team. I am officially a sponsor, and now that you mentioned it costs you nothing, guys, I do have some affiliate links for you, okay? In addition to hitting the like button for me, which we're about to do a giveaway now because we hit 100 likes. So in addition to doing or to supporting me for free by hitting the like button, you can also support me for free by trading on the #1 exchange, in my opinion, especially with fees, man. 0.01% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's basically free. So that's a free way to support me. And not only that, man, but I got your back with Market Cipher. 20% off discount code Trader Geo. And guys, I'm on my way to 5,000 subscribers. I'm on my way to 5K subs. And I don't know yet, so please don't hold me to it. I'm gonna try to work something up with these guys, or maybe I'll cover it myself. Maybe I will do a Market Cipher giveaway at 5,000 subs. I definitely want to do it at 10,000 subs. I'll tell you that. Okay, at 10,000 subs, I'm gonna see. Okay, but maybe we'll do it at 5K. So hit the subscribe button as well while we're here, guys. I want to look at some altcoins as well for you. So drop some alts on what you want, and the first altcoin that I see, I will do. But before that, I need to have some water because your boy is gonna stream every single day this week, and I need to preserve my voice. By the way, not a sponsor, although Halls, bro, Halls. Bishi says 42.5. We have bullish CVD. Let's talk about CVD. I don't know why my voice just popped up like that. Well, let's talk about CVD and let's zoom out. Actually, this is a good comment before we do the alts. Let's talk about this. So guys, there are two ways to look at CVD. Okay, there are two ways to look at CVD. One is like kind of locally, you know, you could say, all right, open interest is increasing and CVD is coming down, so more people are shorting. And you could say, you know, more people are shorting, but price is going down. So respectfully, where was that comment? Respectfully, Bisha. I don't see that we have bullish CVD. Honestly, I really don't. At least not locally. Now, the second way that you can look at CVD, okay? Second way, oh, actually, you know what? We do kind slightly. The second way that we can look at CVD is when you have a super tight range like this. Oh, that's the kind of the second word of the day is tight almost. Okay, when you got a range like this, like we got right now, man, I'm spitting all over the place. When we got a range like this, you can identify the CVD that's within your range. Okay, you can identify the CVD that's within your range, and so you can say, you know, let's just say let's hide our background. Let's hide the background. You could say that from this point, more people are shorting, right? More people are shorting. So from here to here, more people are shorting, but price is not coming down. Okay, so we got price increasing. We got people are shorting. Okay, more people are shorting, right? No doubt about it. Now, it's kind of interesting, okay? Something about CVD is leading until it is not, kind of like everything else. However, I think you need to also pay attention to what happened with CVD, okay? And by that, I mean, you need to also pay attention to your move. Okay, so we know, we already built the narrative for today. Okay, we already built a narrative. We already said things are not looking great. Things are not looking great on the daily, etc. Right? We already said that. And that being said, let me just make these candles a little bit better to see. That being said, is this CVD really the cleanest signal right now when we know this is a manipulated range? We know that they SFP the low and then they SFP the high and they're playing games. So that being said, if this is the range where they are trying to trap you at a macro level, okay? We're at a macro level. This is the place in the chart where they're like, all right, we can really convince people to go long. We can really convince people to go short. So how accurate is CVD when it's doing all this wacky wonders over here? I'm not saying that it's not gonna work, but I'm just saying we need to be a little bit more careful with CVD right now because of the mass manipulation in this range. And so you can't trade based off of just CVD alone. Okay, obviously, I mean, everybody should know that anyways, but you cannot trade based off of just CVD. Trust me when I tell you, I've done it. And trust me when I tell you, you will get wrecked if you decide to do that. Okay, so yeah, right now, currently, like I said, we do have bullish CVD currently, very slightly, right? Ever so slightly, we have bullish CVD. However, we're this close to the low. Number one, why wouldn't we take the low? And as soon as we take the low, CVD become like the bullish CVD becomes invalidated, right? Why would we come in a range like this, in a range that is super local and super condensed? Why would we come this close to the low and not wick it out? Why? Because remember, everybody in this range, some people have their stops above this high, some people have their stops above this low. And what happens is they will, like 9 times out of 10, when you have a range like this, they will make a run for the low and they will make a run for the high. And then they'll do their move. Remember, this is market makers manipulating the range really because of where we are in a macro perspective. Okay. The first coin that I saw was DOT. So we're going to do DOT. Yeah, no more VIP codes, guys. VIP code or VIP is paid now. But it's way better, man. It's way better. Market Cipher do it because Geo equals Market Cipher King. Money flow is coming up. Market Cipher is coming up from you. I mean, I just got my tutorials. They're already established. But anyways, look, whether people resonate with my tutorials or people resonate with their tutorials, whatever works for you, you know? If my tutorials don't work for you, then, you know, we are basically, the cool part about being a sponsor is now, like, I'm part of the team, and there are multiple teachers, right? It's not my way is the only way to do it, and it's not their way is the only way to do it, right? It's different perspectives, and something that we can present to you is different perspectives. Not everybody resonates with the way that I teach and the way that I, you know, but same as just not everyone resonate, like, with every, like, it's all preference, right? It's all preference. All right, let's do DOT. Let's take a look at DOT. Now, guys, I'm going to do a few altcoins for you. I'm going to start by saying this. And I say this every stream, man. I say it every single stream. If Bitcoin is going to dump, your altcoins are going to dump, okay? Dominance is up. Relatively, dominance is up, okay? If Bitcoin decides to just die here, then so will your alts. So you please just understand that, okay? Please just understand that. It will dump. Now, on first glance, locally, we're going to go a little bit more in depth, but on first glance locally, I mean, locally, on the 15-minute time frame, DOT looks kind of bullish. Okay, why does it look bullish? Well, let's take a look. By the way, one other thing I forgot to mention, because there are so many new people in here, I imagine. Okay, remember, so if Bitcoin dumps, so will your alts. If Bitcoin goes sideways, your alts have a chance of pumping, and if Bitcoin pumps, your alts will definitely pump. But not only that, it is very important, and I don't really hear many other people say this. Maybe they do. It is very important to understand where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. We talked about this fake move, okay? We had a fake out on Bitcoin. This, look at where we are on the chart right now. This here is the same as this, okay? So it is important to know where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. So what do we see on Polkadot? Polkadot looks a little bit bullish right now, just on the 15-minute alone. Why does it look bullish? We have money flow coming up. We have a money flow divergence, okay? We got a money flow divergence. That's number one. Super easy. Money flow is diverging. Now, this is not a spike wave, guys. This is not a spike wave, okay? If you don't know what a spike wave is, hit the subscribe button, because my next video is going to be talking about spike waves. Hit the subscribe button. It's not a spike wave. Why is it not a spike wave? Yes, money flow is diverging, but the momentum wave is not also diverging. So this is a significant wave, and we have money flow coming up, so that's good. That's like two bullish signs. However, it is not a spike wave, which is really what we would want to see definitively. That doesn't mean that it can't go up from here. It just means that it's not a spike wave. Now listen, what do we have going on? What do we have? So we had our manipulative move, okay? And now, I mean, locally, we broke structure obviously to the downside, right? 15-minute structure actually broke to the downside right here at this point, okay? And remember, it is important for you to know what happens to your alts relative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's 15-minute low has still not been tapped. Okay, so DOT is closing below its 15-minute low. That was the same manipulative move as Bitcoin. DOT is closing below it. Bitcoin is not even there yet. When dominance is up and when Bitcoin dumps, your alts will bleed. They move faster and they move harder than Bitcoin does. Okay, and DOT closing below that 15-minute low is not a good sign for Bitcoin to hold this low. Okay, now again, doesn't mean it can't play out, but this is not a spike wave. It's not a spike wave. Now listen, it's not all bad. It's not all bad, because as you can hopefully see, we have a lot of liquidity built up right over here, which means wherever Polkadot decides to find its legs from, we can easily come back up, squeeze all the shorts, and you know, the target really would probably be this high. Okay, that's just on first glance what we're looking at right now, okay? On the 15-minute structure or 30-minute structure, however you want to do it, I mean, this is an SFP for sure, okay? This guy is an SFP 100%. And what do we know about SFPs? The high that put in that low or failed to take the low is your target. So check marks the spot. Technically, if your SFP is going to play out, this check mark is your target on Polkadot. But again, is it worth taking the trade? Probably not, for two reasons. Number one, what did I say? This is not, I mean, actually, we have a spike wave on the 30 minute, so that's a little bit better. But on the 15, it is not a spike wave, okay? Not a spike wave. But not even that, man. Forget about Market Cipher B. Get rid of Market Cipher B in the first place. What do we know? You need to pay attention to Bitcoin, because what happens to Bitcoin is going to happen to your alts. And although DOT closed below, Bitcoin is going to head down here now. Okay? Is Bitcoin going to SFP it, or is it going to close below it? I don't know the answer to that. We're about to find out here in maybe a couple hours. Okay? So if Bitcoin SFPs this low, okay, this is a 15-minute SFP. This was our original target, right? If I pull up my local TA here, you see that check mark? This was our original target because of this SFP. So now if Bitcoin SFPs this low, then that should give you enough confidence to then potentially long DOT targeting this high. And that, my friends, is how you use Bitcoin as confluence with your altcoins, and why it is so important to know, especially when dominance is up the way that it is. It is so important to know that, like, man, you gotta pay attention to Bitcoin, man. You have to. Okay, I had a question here that I skipped over, but I wanted to answer. Where is my question? Okay, so Adrian says, hi Gio, I have a question for you. How to trade vector candles if on every exchange there are different candle colors because of different volume? My friend, this is what I will tell you. Depending on the exchange that you're on, you are absolutely right. You will have different colors of vector candles. The real answer is you should be doing, what was I gonna say? I'm having an ADHD moment right now. You should be jumping between exchanges, truly, or you should be on a higher volume exchange. Okay, you should not be trading on Femex. You should not be trading on charting on Bing X or any of these other ones. You should be charting on Bybit, on Binance, on Coinbase. Okay, I wouldn't even go as far as saying MEXC. Even though I trade on MEXC, I do not chart on MEXC for liquidity reasons. But to answer your question, you should be looking at it across different exchanges. And the color does not really matter, my friend. It doesn't really matter. I mean, look, the vectors we know get recovered. And the number one rule with Market Cipher and vectors is whenever you see a green dot, as we're seeing right now on the 15, you look to the left and you say these vectors can get recovered. And when you have vector candles within a range, right? We have a very clear range here. Here's our range low and here's our range high. When you got vector candles, you can say that like within your range that they're very likely to get recovered. And just look at the proof in the pudding in this, just in this guy alone. Look, we had red vectors to the downside. Green vectors came up and recovered it. We came down and recovered these green vectors, came up. These green vectors got recovered. When we came down with this red vector, we recovered it with a blue vector. Then we had a green vector recovered with the red, right? This red vector candle, 50% of it has been recovered. So when, look at this, green vector to the upside, now we're getting red vectors to the downside. So maybe we SFP the low and maybe we head back up, and maybe DOT heads back up with Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin SFPs and continues up, then DOT will go up as well. Okay, and just play the vectors, man. If you have a green dot, look to the left and say those vectors can get recovered. That's rule number one, man. It's so easy. And you can do that on all time frames. And watch me, I'm going to scare you guys a little bit. I'm going to scare you a little bit now. Now we're on the daily time frame. What do we know? When you have a red dot, you got to look to the left and say those vectors can get recovered. Well, we have a red dot right now. Do we not? We have a red dot on the daily. Where are the vectors? Well, there's none close. But why can't Bitcoin come down to here? Why can't it? I actually think it'll be very easy for Bitcoin to come down to here. Why would it be very easy for Bitcoin to come down to here? Well, we have where's my thing? Excuse my French, a shit ton of liquidity here. Guys, I've been careful, not bearish because we long and short, but I've been careful since 28K. I thought we were going to dump at 28K. We ended up pumping another 25%. It doesn't change the idea. All this liquidity is going to be taken within the same week. I'm going to even say as confidently as within the same, like 2 days max, max 3 days. All this is going to be wiped in 3 days max. I don't even think that. I want to even say as far as 1 day, because I think there's no stopping it once it gets here. There are absolutely zero longs, and I tell this to my VIP members. There are zero longs, zero in this entire area. Between 38K and 33K, you delete your long button. Call up your exchange, Mexi, Bybit, whoever it may be, and tell them, remove my long button. There are no longs in this entire area. So you have a red dot, you look to the left, and you say this can get recovered. And, oh, Gio, you're so bearish. No. Okay, fine, I'm bearish. I would rather be bearish and rather be careful and not be ignorant and say, yo, historically, every time you have a red dot, you can recover the vectors, and historically, they always get recovered. So why the hell would it not be? Fine. I'm not a moon boy. I don't have diamond hands. Go ahead and make fun. Don't say that I did not tell you today on February 4th that we have a red dot, and the number one rule with market Cipher is look to the left. Where are your vectors? This can get recovered. Somebody clip that. What time is that at? Mods, my moderators, 47 minutes. I'm making a YouTube short on that. Just saying. Just saying. All right. Red dot on daily and money flow just turned red. Which vectors are we sweeping? Listen, don't say we can't make it down there. That's all I'm saying, guys. This 20% dump that we had from the top didn't even... Bro, we barely did anything. The dump hasn't even started yet. But hey, what do I know, guys? Look, remember my disclaimer? I'm a 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. What do I know? What do I know? All right. Extabon says, Gio, how much leverage do I use and based on what time frames? Guys, I have a video that I made a couple months ago. And the video is called Leverage Does Not Matter. Okay, right here. Why leverage does not matter. Guys, leverage doesn't matter. Leverage does not matter. Why does your leverage not matter? Your leverage does not matter because all leverage does is change your liquidation. However, we do not get liquidated, okay? We have an exact, clearly defined price point in which our idea is invalidated, and our liquidation, if we're shorting, is going to be above that level. So it doesn't matter what your leverage is. It doesn't change anything. All that matters is your position size. That is all that matters. Why? Because we trade with discipline. Discipline, my friends. We do not just YOLO short and have no idea where price is going and have no stop loss and then get liquidated. No. Nobody in my Discord gets liquidated. We're not. If you guys get liquidated, I'm banning your ass. I'm booting you. No liquidations here. Bro, check market Cipher and May 2021 crash. It looks identical, says Phil. Let's talk about it. Guys, this looks horrible. Like, look at how bad this looks. Look, man, listen. And I say this all the time. After this, by the way, guys, we're going to do the first giveaway. So make sure you stick around for the next couple minutes here. Guys, in the middle of the healthiest bull run possible, we have minus 50% weeks. We have minus 20% days, minus 25% days that don't get bought back up. Okay, none of this Mickey Mouse shit where, look at this, Mickey Mouse dump gets bought right back up. Mickey Mouse dump gets bought right back up. Mickey Mouse dump bought right back up. Yeah, we dumped here, but we're not right. I said minus 50% weeks. Minus 50% weeks. This is not. Where's the retracement? Where did you get the retracement over here? You didn't. I'm talking in the middle of the healthiest bull run. Guys, listen. If you're not going to listen to anything else, listen now. In the middle of the healthiest bull run possible, we have minus 50% weeks that don't get bought right back up in the first second. Okay? I don't even believe that we're in a bull market yet. I don't think we're in a bull market. I don't buy it until we take like I don't even know, 60K maybe, then I'll say, all right, maybe 65K, or maybe even taking the high. I don't know, but I don't believe we're in a bull market at all. I do not believe it. I believe we are absolutely coming to 30K again. I think that anybody that thinks Bitcoin is not going to touch 30K again is absolutely out of their freaking mind, because all we got to do is follow the money. It's not that hard. Follow the money. You don't need to draw triangles. Just follow the money. You have a red dot. You look to the left. The vector candle is here. Why does it need to be more complicated than that? Go back and backtest it, guys. I listen. Go back and backtest it. Don't take my word for it. Go back and backtest. This is the easiest thing to backtest. Find a red dot. Look to the left. This vector got recovered. Green dot. This vector got recovered. Green dot. This vector got recovered. This one is still pending. This green dot. Look, green vectors. Red dot got recovered. Like, go back. Go back. Go back and test it. Go back and test it. Which leverage do I use often? I use on average, let's say 80x. I use 80x leverage. I'm currently in a short, guys. I am currently not in any longs, and I've been telling my Discord all weekend that I am not in any longs, okay? Not in any longs. I've been telling y'all that. Shouts out to my VI peeps. All right, guys, listen, we're going to do the giveaway, man. We're going to do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Here's what we're going to do for the giveaway. We are currently at 137 likes. We got 200 people in here. First of all, shouts out to everybody that's here for the very first time. I appreciate y'all. Here's what we're going to do for the giveaway. Everybody, come to this video that I'm going to comment right now. Okay, we're going to go to my last live stream. We're going to go to the last live stream. We are going to... boom, 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 boom. Everybody go to that video, okay? And leave a comment. I don't care what the comment says. I do not care in the slightest. Don't care. However, your comment has to have... which emoji should we give it? Let's do this lips emoji, okay? Something with lips. The comment has to have a lips emoji. Lips, or the biting lips, or lipstick, or whatever. Okay, I don't care. Teeth has to have some emoji with a mouth, and you can write whatever you want. Gio, you suck. Gio, you're the king of market cipher. Gio, this is the first time that I'm in your stream and you're so sexy and I want your boot camp. Whatever it is that you guys want to say, guys. I'm not putting words in your mouth. Go and do that, and make sure you like the stream. If you do not like the stream, you do not have the opportunity to win. When you're done, comment the lip emoji here so that I know you're done, and we'll get this giveaway going for you guys, man. We will get this giveaway going. And what time is it right now? Right now it is 3:24. We are going to do the giveaway in 6 minutes, guys. 6 minutes. So go ahead, head over there, and then in the meantime, man, let's have a little party. Should we have a little party? Should we hit the money song? Where my OGs at, man? Where my OGs at? While you guys are doing that for me, let's hit our money song, baby. You already know. You guys know what time it is. Oh, that's not the right one. Okay, we could do this one. We could do this one. We could do this one. Why not? Go shawty, hey. Go shawty. Go leave those comments, baby. Let's get it. We gonna party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up. It's not your birthday. Find me in the club. Bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex. I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug. If you in the getting rough, you can find me in the club. 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 Go shorty. OG, what's up, bro? Turn it up. Turn it up. No, we're gonna hit the money song. Let's hit our money song. All right, y'all, listen, y'all, man, while we're waiting, man, while we're waiting for these guys to go hit the like button, listen, I need the OGs to come through for me. We got a lot of new people right now, okay? Don't take my word for it, guys. I am biased. To my OGs, if you've been here before, I need your help. Let's show the newcomers, man. You already know what time it is. You already know what time it is. Let's show the newcomers, guys. If I have provided you value in any way whatsoever, I've opened up your eyes to the market, to the vector candles, to the market makers. I made your life better. I've motivated you. I've inspired you, whatever it may be. If I have done any of the above, let's get those money bag emojis in the chat right now. Let's show the people. My OGs, I need you right now. Let's get money, baby. Money bags, money bags, money bags.
Get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money.
Shouts out to my VIP Discord, man. Guys, I can't put you on the screen. It's so annoying. Let me see if I can fix it now. Bruh. Why? All right, how many are we at? 2 minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Come to this video. Drop any comment you want. It has to have a lip emoji. We are taking the low, baby. There you go. Let's get money. Money. All right, let's take a look here. Oh, guys, that could have been a significant low. Listen, the target of that SFP right now, the target of that SFP was the low. We just confirmed it. Okay, we just took the low. We just hit the target on the short over the weekend. We got money flow coming up, man. That could be it. Ooh, money flow on the 2 is not looking so sexy. However, so you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That could have been it, but am I taking any longs here? Nah, I'm looking for lower, man. I'm looking for lower. I'm looking for here. We got key zones down here at 40. We got OBs down here at 40. We do have a little scalp zone here at the weekly open, last week's weekly open, because we have, well, I mean, the weekly candle closes today. But if we can come down to 42.3, perhaps SFPing this low, right, at 42290, whatever. And more importantly, topping the naked point of control at 42075, then maybe I will look to long. Definitely not before then. For me, until we tap 42K, I am not hitting the long button. If we go to $10 million from here, then congratulations to whoever did hit the long button. But I am definitely not hitting the long button until we, at the very least, touch, let's say 42,100. I'll be nice. 42,100 at the very earliest for the super scalps. Guys, we're going to do our giveaway now. And listen, you already know every single day I teach you how to build a narrative. I say this every single time. But let me just say this, guys. I'm no better than you. I am no better than you. And it was not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure this game out. And so I have high hopes that you can learn. If you're trying to learn and you're struggling, I got high hopes that you can learn just as I did. And I hope that whoever wins this bootcamp giveaway gets really good value out of it. Okay, we're gonna do the giveaway now. Let's go, baby. Mama said, fulfill the prophecy, be something greater. How many comments do we have? 106 comments. Let's go, baby. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we wanted everything, wanted everything. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated. All right, guys, the winner of the bootcamp giveaway is. I'd hate to see you waiting. XRP321, congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of the bootcamp giveaway, even though your coin XRP sucks ass. You are the winner of the bootcamp giveaway. And so this is what I need you to do, my friend. Remember, we got 4 bootcamps here. This is what I need you to do. I need you to go to the YouTube video that I told you to go to, okay? Make sure that the like button is hit. Click on the top right of your screen. Take a screenshot of this, okay? We need to see your username. Head over to the Discord. DM any one of my moderators your, the picture, right? Has to have the like button. Have to be subscribed. You know, all that stuff. And let them know which bootcamp you want. And I will get that for you as soon as I am off the Sunday stream. Guys, I like streaming on Sunday. I'm having a good time with y'all right now. I am definitely having a good time with you guys. So thanks for kicking it with me during family time. Okay, so let's see what BTC is doing, man. So Bitcoin took the low. This is no longer an SFP. The target, actually, we're going to keep the SFP, but the target is hit, guys. The short that we said right after stream on Friday is officially hit. Fucking finally, man. Finally. Bro, it's your world. I'm just passing through. Every time I see it, I think you're just passing through. Like, I read that first and I'm like, yo. Congrats, though, man. Congrats. Listen, guys, if you didn't win, don't be sad. Because every single day this week, every 100 likes we get on stream, I am going to do another giveaway for you. And so we're only 33 likes away from another giveaway. And this next one, I'm going to make it a little bit more spicy for you guys. I will give away the VIP. I will give away my VIP section of my Discord for 3 months. Okay? The next giveaway is going to be for the VIP. I tell you long ago, bro, do I use that? Actually, you know what? The next one, even this one, man, even this one, XRP dude, you are allowed to, if you can either get the bootcamp or you can get VIP for 3 months, whatever you like. Whichever one you want, bro. You let my moderators know. JDJP says, bro, do I use exo charts? I do not use exo charts. I'm learning them currently. But I have so many things going on right now that I can't really sit and focus on it. But you know, I will know it. I will learn it. And yeah. So no more bullish CVD. Let's take a look at CVD. Remember what we were saying, guys? We were saying CVD is bullish until it's not. Now that we took the low, CVD is officially no longer bullish. CVD is no longer bullish. Invalidated. Give it the X. Give it the big X. Ba 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 ba. I tell you. All right, I'm gonna do. Let's do another coin. Let's do another coin. Ooh. Let's get another coin going. Which coin y'all want? Panda, panda, panda. I get broads in Atlanta. Kristen Lee and a Fana. Man, is the daily market cipher has the 3-tap trick done? Or we'll be waiting for the 3-tap? Let's take a look at the daily. Man, it looks horrible, guys. It looks absolutely abysmal. Looks disgusting. And actually, okay. Hear me out here. You guys are not gonna like me, but you'll be thankful for me when we dump to all hell and you decided to listen to me. So look, guys. The reason I created the 1, 2, 3 tap. Okay, I'm gonna do Link. I'm gonna do Link and Ada. The reason that I even created the 1, 2, 3 tap is when you have thick money flow, guys. The number 1 rule with Market Cipher V, one of the number 1 rules. I have a couple number 1 rules. One of the number 1 rules is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Okay? Thicker the money flow, more chances of divergences. Ready? Can you say it with me? Thicker the money flow, more chance of divergences. Shout out to everybody that's here for the first time. Thicker the money flow, more chance of divergences. I say that sentence more than I say any other sentence on this channel. So burn it in your brain holes, okay? Now listen. Thicker the money flow, more chance of divergences. Why did I create the 1, 2, 3 tap? Because when you got thick money flow, and we know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, it is basically a way to filter out shorting or longing when you shouldn't be, okay? If you have thick green money flow, and you know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, do I need to keep saying it? And you don't see that, then you know that you might be just on the next higher low for the next higher high, okay? And I covered this very, very well, okay? Very well in my last 4 YouTube videos, which are all market cipher videos, okay? And the next one's also going to be a market cipher video. Bigger money flow, more chance of divergences. However, the only exception to this, well, it's not even the only exception. It's not even an exception to the rule. Where is the spike wave, guys? Where the third wave on the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences is your spike wave. Okay? We talked about how your second wave sets up the third one. Like volleyball, this is why it's called a spike wave, right? The first wave stops the spike from the other team. The second wave sets up the ball, and the third one spikes that shit down. So your third wave on the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, with some discretion, okay? If price is pumping just crazily, you need to understand that, all right, it's probably like, all right, sorry, if money flow is just nonstop going up, don't count to 3. Count to like 5 or 4, because that can happen. But your third wave is your spike wave. Another spike wave is when money flow and momentum waves are diverging, okay? And although you could argue we did not get our 3 tap here on the daily, you very well could argue it, and I wouldn't say you're crazy for arguing that. You need to know that when money flow is diverging along with your momentum wave, that is a spike wave, guys. That is a spike wave. So to answer your question, Nikhil, man, is the daily market cipher 3 has the 3 tap, or is it done? My answer is we have a spike wave. And we got another red dot following that spike wave. And we know that when you have a red dot, you got to look to the left and say that we can come and attack these red vector candles. And so don't be surprised if the next month is bearish and we come and attack these vector candles. Don't be surprised. That is my answer. Tommy says, dude, you are from the future. Your CBD prediction came through. I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. Hard says spike is only the third wave, or can it be the second if yeah, it could be the second if money flows diverge. Oh, stream delay. There you go. So yeah, it says he sees 40K soon. Maybe, man. Maybe. Well, maybe we're not done with this little local range, right? We did SFP the low. We do got divergences here on the 5. We do got the vector candles that we can come up and recover. We do have this untapped 5-minute order block, right? That's, I don't know if we're going to hit it though, because this wick already swept liquidity. So why would we need to sweep liquidity again? We'll see, guys. These are all good questions, and I'm glad you're asking. But on the 5, we got money flow diverging over time. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Maybe we make our way up here. We shall see. When you have a green dot, you got to look to the left. We cannot be surprised if price comes back up here. You can't be surprised. You just can't. All right, let's do Link. How long we been streaming for? Huh? 1 hour and 10 minutes. 1 hour and 10 minutes. All right. Let's do Link. So Link is interesting, man. So we've talked about Link quite a bit. Yeah, we've talked about Link quite a bit. I think, oh, we actually just hit this SFP. Very interesting. Okay. So I think that Link is and I've said this. I think that Link is going to, well, I said that I thought it was going to make its way to this first SFP, which it absolutely did over the past couple days. And I think it's going to make its way up to 19.5. Okay. Why am I saying that? If you look more macroly, we have an important high here. And although we could just reject from here, it is very possible that we reject from here. This high also makes sense to reject from. Okay. And we have a macro golden pocket at this high as well. So it would make sense to me. Like, why would we come so high, sweep this high, but not sweep this high as well? It just doesn't really make sense to me. So to me, for me, I would say 19.5 is likely. Now, how are we not, like, why might we not see that? Well, the same thing I said with what coin did we do before? With DOT earlier. When you're watching your altcoins, you need to see what Bitcoin is doing. And if Bitcoin is going to just absolutely shit the bed from here, which it very well may, right? Then Link will likely do the same. But what are we seeing on the daily time frame on DOT? We are seeing money coming out while price is coming up. While we're sweeping the highs, we're SFPing the highs, we're unable to close a daily level above this high, which technically means that this is your target. Actually, it would be this guy, this SFP. $12 would be your target, right? And we're coming up to macro resistance, macro SFP plus a golden pocket. Plus, I'm sure you could pull dailies and weeklies and monthly levels up here as well. So why wouldn't we reject from here? Especially if Bitcoin is going to dump, right? Especially if Bitcoin's going to dump. So we'll see. We have order blocks above us as well. We do have better levels that we can come to as well. Not saying we don't, right? 22, 21 and a half. We have order blocks. We got an 18-hour order block kind of in the middle of nowhere. I don't really like it. I do like this guy better. This daily order block at like 24. But we can't talk about 24 until we even get to 19. And we'll see if we even get to 19. We'll see if we SFP it because this is an important level. Aside from that, guys, there's not really much to say. I mean, we confirmed daily, like a daily bullish structure. So daily we have up, down, up. Actually, no, I lied. It's up, down, up, down, up, down. And then now we just flipped bullishly again. Okay, so the daily is implying that Link is going to continue its merrily way up. However, this is an important level where we're at right now, because if we cannot if we cannot close above here, I mean, it might not be the best. Things might not be the best. Let's just say that. Especially the weekly. We'll see, man. We'll see. A lot of these coins, guys, today is going to, like, this is going to be an interesting week in crypto for sure. I think it's going to be a very interesting week in crypto. This is an important weekly close. No, I won't forget you. Have I ever correlated the 3 momentum waves to Wyckoff? You know what, bro? That's kind of what it is. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences you're allowed to get a spike wave on the 3rd wave. Usually when money flow is thick like that, we that would be your your, what is it? Wyckoff model 2. The one that, like, doesn't, the one that takes the high all 3 times. And then when money flow and momentum waves are diverging, that's usually where, like, you have your only your 2 tap. So yeah, basically that's kind of what it is. But it's an easier way to identify what's going to happen, because we know market Cipher's king and we know money flow is king. We know money flow is king. Guys, who is here for the very first time? If you're here for the first time, let me know in the comments. Give me a 1 or 1 emoji if you're here for the very first time. All I need. BTC on the weekly. I would say BT3. I would say BTC on the weekly. I mean, it's looking decent, guys. It's not looking great. It's not looking amazing. Yeah, money flow is getting thicker. Yeah, the VWAP is pointing up. Yeah, whatever. But what's the number 1 rule, guys? When you have a red dot, you look to the left and you say that these vectors can get recovered. Okay? Look at this. We had really thick money flow. We got a red dot and look how far down we fell. Okay? We got a red dot and we could fall down and we could say that these vectors are going to get recovered. And I absolutely believe them to get recovered. 100%. There's no way in my mind that they're not going to come for those lows. And you know why? It's because you, if it's you, and everybody else is so freaking bullish. Everyone is so bullish. Guys, don't forget that in the healthiest bull market, shit can dump 40%. We haven't even seen anything yet. We've been way overextended. Way overextended for 4 months straight because of the ETF stuff. So anyways, weekly is not that bullish to me. Doesn't look that bullish to me. I think that we're going to get a retracement. And then I think the weekly time frame is going to do something like this. Where's my marker? I think we might do something like this. We might come down for a couple more weeks. We might get a green dot like here. Maybe. But then we'll get nice red vectors. Really strong pushes down. Nice red vectors down to wherever the low is. 25K, whatever it might be. And then on this next green dot, this might be where the bull market begins. That's what I think. That's what I think. And let's talk about the 3-day, because a lot of people are talking about the 3-day because there's a lot of noise on the 3-day. Guys, this is what I have to say. Just like the weekly, the money flow is coming up. Sure. Okay. Money flow is coming up. But what do we have? Guys, what's your count? What is the count? We got 1 count, we got a 2 count, and we got a 3 count. And you could argue, listen, you could absolutely argue this. You could argue and say, Gio, that's part of the same wave. Doesn't that go against your rules? Look, it's 50-50. You gotta use some discretion with it. But if that's the case, then this would be your 1. That would be your 1 tap. All 3. Which means we got a lot more gas, right? We could come down, we could get red dot, green dot, whatever. And then way down here at in June or May or whatever, later, August, September, you could get a whole nother wave of stuff. And let's just say we're up here by then. This could be your 1. This could be your 2. And then way wherever. It doesn't matter. You get more waves over here. And then your 3 could be up here. So if you're not going to count this as your 1, 2, 3 locally, then you have to do it this way. And this might happen, but that doesn't mean that we can't come down to 30K first. Right? So you just need to keep that in mind. You need to remember that. It's because of you. If it's you, love it. Yeah, if it's you. Potential 3-minute CSE. See the April Fool's cliff to the left? It hit that. Now it retraces, then goes further. Get the likes go up. Oh, man. All right, so Bitcoin, let's come locally. Bitcoin is it's looking like it SFP that low, which that was the target. So if you shorted that, you should have taken profits there. And what did we say, man? I said it a few months ago. I said green dot, look to the left. Look, you're seeing it in real time right now. Green dot, look to the left. Green dot, look to the left. Where are your vector candles? What did I say? The first thing I said in the stream was we're in a range and we're getting vector candles. Did I not say that? Did I not say that the vector candles can come and get recovered? Come on now, don't play with me. Do we have an order block here? Yeah, we do. We absolutely have an order block here. Are we going to make it up there? I don't know. Am I going to look to short it if we get up here? Hell yeah, I am. Is it going to play out? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. It's probabilities, guys. It is all probabilities. Hi, my name is CBK Wahoo, and I've created tripping. Please share your name for this addicts meeting. I have digital currency flowing through your veins. Well, my name is Gio, bro. Nice to meet you. CBK Wahoo. CBK Wahoo. Okay, next song. I'm bored of this song. DK, you're so late, bro. Guys, it's so hard to trade and stream at the same time. I didn't take any long because I'm streaming, but I might have taken it if I wasn't streaming. Let me love you. All right, how long have we been live? Man, I want to trade. I want to go and trade. Guys, we've been live for an hour and 20 minutes. Let's short this Geo. Hey, listen, we'll see, man. Right now, technically, what did I say, guys? We got a lot of liquidity above us that we can come and grab, right? We got a lot of liquidity that we can come and grab. Remember, man, these guys like to... This is a manipulative range. This is a manipulative zone. Like AF manipulative. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Am I a geologist? Yeah. I'm a geometrist. That's why I draw triangles on my chart in a game of money. Like, look. What would have been better for you to... what would have been better in this scenario? For you to follow the money? Or for you to draw a triangle? Like, why would you draw a triangle in a game of money? It's weird. It's like if you go to the movie theater and you, like... I don't know, show up with something you shouldn't have. Or you go to a poker table and you show up in like scuba diving gear at a poker table and say, okay, blackjack. Like, it doesn't make sense. Whatever happened to that one guy that made trading so analytical and loved to hear himself talk? Forget his name. He has a Discord. No, not Geo. I have no idea, bro. I don't even know. What's the difference if I weren't live? Well, if I'm not live, then I can like focus on trades like properly. If I'm not live, I can focus on trades. Like, I don't need to. I'm not like here trying to entertain. You know what I mean? I'm not here trying to entertain. This is crazy, man. This is nuts. Like, I could have taken this if I was, you know, not entertaining. For you, it helps the drawings. What is ETH doing? ETH is doing what Bitcoin is doing. And so now look at this. Watch. If we go back, like, look at Link. Link is probably, yeah, Link is moving now. And where is thing? Dot is probably, yeah, look. So Dot is getting that SFP that we were talking about as well. Now, remember, this is a manipulative zone. And remember that no matter what, the next dot is red. Okay? You cannot get two green dots in a row. The next dot is red. And what do we know about the dots? Just like we had down here, you can recover the vectors. Your next red dot can recover these vectors, okay? Don't be stupid with it. Doesn't mean it's going to, but it can. It absolutely can. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet. Missed such an easy long. Thank you for your sacrifice. Man, I know I missed it, guys. I missed it. Not only did I miss it, but I also didn't take profits on the short. So, double rip. Double rip. But guys, man, like I said, when you're in a range and it consolidates like this, they're going to wreck both sides. Like, every single time. Not every single time, but most of the time. They're going to wreck both sides. And now they just wrecked the shorts. Or they just wrecked the longs, rather. And maybe now they're going to wreck the shorts. We'll see. You entered and exited the long. Nice. Matt says he took this all thanks to the boot camps. Shouts out to Matt. If I could put it up on the screen, I would. I'm glad, bro. I'm glad. Look, we're in an order block right now. Let's see what happens. Took that CDW as you were watching Jay's CDW section on his course. The SFPZ. SFP got. Yeah, man. It's a manipulated zone, guys. It's a manipulated zone. It's a manipulated zone. Shouts out to Cohen. Says, we're not here for the entertainment, bro. You're here for the trades. Man, listen, I don't give you guys trades. Even if I said I'm long in this, by the time you guys see it, you guys are delayed. You're like 45 seconds delayed. We could have already been way up here. You know what I'm saying? I don't give you guys trades on YouTube. We talk about trades in the Discord. But, you know, we got this going on here. I drew this box and we're rejecting from this box. You know what I'm saying? God, good night, brother. I will see you tomorrow. See you at Charant tomorrow. Good night, man. It's late AF where you are, right? It's like, what, 2 a.m.? Go to bed, bruv. Thank you for your service. Would I short from that zone? Hell yeah. I mean, yeah, I would. Again, it's hard. Guys, it's so hard to trade. It's so hard to trade. So super hard to trade. Guys, this is like, the 3-minute doesn't look good, I'll tell you this. But it's hard to trade when I'm streaming as well. Screw the TA, you're here for the parties. Shout out to Phil. Whatever happened to the alpha guy? Him and I, well, he started his own channel, so he's doing his own thing. We wish him well. But I was kind of just there to like help boost him up while he was building his stuff and, you know, introduce him to my community and get his followers up and stuff. But now he's doing his own thing, so he's doing well. All right, we're getting a nice rejection from this order block. 230. Good night, bro. Good night. Alter are making their red vector recoveries. Yeah. Geo out here losing out on money for this community, and you guys can't even hit the like button. Hey, listen, DV wants that giveaway. What are we at? What are we at? Are we one away? Let me refresh. I don't even know what we're at here. What's up, G? We dumping yet? I don't know, man. Listen, we just swept the low and we just SFP'd the low. So, I mean, we're in a manipulated zone. That's what I will tell you. I don't use MCA. Not really. I'll tell you why I don't use Market Cipher A. It's not because Market Cipher A isn't good or it doesn't work. I don't really use it because I've stared at this thing for so long that I know where your diamonds are without having the diamonds actually on the chart. Like, I can see it already. You know, I've been staring at this indicator. Guys, listen, a lot of you guys are new. Let me just tell you, I've been staring at Market Cipher B. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I've been staring at Market Cipher B for literally for 3 years straight. Okay. And by the way, if you want to get good at Market Cipher B, watch it on the 1 minute time frame. Game changer. Anyways, I've been watching this thing for 3 years, and so I got good with it. And that's why I don't really need the diamonds and stuff. Although it's extra confluence, right? It absolutely is extra confluence. Guys, what's the rule, man? We're in a range. You see a vector candle. Okay, we recovered the vectors to the downside now with this green vector. The next red dot, wherever it may be, maybe we come up and take the high again. Okay? Maybe we come up and tap this order block. It makes sense to. I'm not saying, remember, they wreck the low and then they wreck the high. Okay? We're currently SFPing the low, which means the target is the high. So maybe they come, we're in a manipulated zone. Okay? Very manipulated zone. And so maybe they're going to come and sweep the high now. And then they're going to come down. You know what I'm saying? Bro, extremely bullish CVD, 15 minutes. Bro, this is not bullish CVD. This bullish CVD got invalidated. It's not bullish anymore. Blockchain Domain says, you think you'll hang out for a bit? Love to meet new friends who trade. Well then, Blockchain Domain, make sure you join the Discord. The link's in the description down below. We got an amazing network in there. And by the way, guys, I only want my network to be winners, okay? If you guys are going to be stupid and not put stop losses and get liquidated and whatever, like, ain't nobody got time for that. Let's win together. I want to win together. Guys, 1 second. It is hot, and I'm going to take my pants off. Yes, I didn't need to tell you, but I decided I wanted to anyway. Maybe we're going to come up to the high now. We got the liquidity that we can sweep, like I said. We got this order block that we can come and tackle, like I said. We'll see what happens here. We will see. Guys, should I start streaming on Sundays? I think I like it, man. We're getting some good engagement here. Are we at 200 likes yet? Did we hit that? Should we do another giveaway? What does the green box mean on your vector indicator? It means it's a vector candle, bro. I have videos on vector candles. If you come on over, if you get your ass over to the Discord, or sorry, to my YouTube, then you will see that. 1 second. Let me just manage my trades here. Drop it like it's hot. And you will see that, okay, come over to the YouTube. Playlists. Vector candles. Everything you gotta know is there. Have to go. Appreciate your sharing and your knowledge. Take care, Crypto Gen X. We'll see you later. It's hot in Canada. No, it's just hot in my basement. Bro, drop them like it's hot. Yeah, man. Tell me if you entered a short. You want to swing short? Well, I'm in a short currently. But I didn't enter a new short. Like I said, guys, it is very hard to stream. It is very hard to stream and trade at the same time. Very difficult. Most take the weekend off. Yeah, man, maybe I'm gonna start streaming on Sundays. On the low. Stream the weekly closes because nobody else does it. I don't want to get it on the low. I'm in love with the cocoa. Guys, we could get a fast move up here right now. Let's see if we get it. We just reclaimed VWAP. This order block said, nah, peace out. We got a 5er here. We got a 5er right here. I would actually do it like this. I would hide. Well, let's hide this shit. I would do it like this. I would just use this whole thing, to be honest. Because we got some order blocks up here as well. And like, yeah, I don't know. Let me come on the lower term time frame. Like this next 5-minute red dot could be ugly. Like we could come back down. We'll see, man. We'll see. We don't know yet. We absolutely do not know. Thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, guys. Right now on the 1-minute time frame, we do have thick money flow. Keep in mind it's a 1-minute time frame and things move pretty quickly, but the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And that being said, we could get another push up. What we're looking for right now potentially would be, this is your 1, this is your 2. We get to move down, we get to move up, we go boom, boom, and then maybe there is where we go back down. We do not know. We have to see. We have to wait and see. We did sweep liquidity on this move back to the upside, so it absolutely makes sense to come and recover those vectors. Guys, don't get overly excited. Although we can come up fairly quickly, we know that when you have a red dot, you gotta look at the vector candles, and you know that after your green dot, you can only get a red dot. Okay? There is no such thing as 2 green dots. There is a green dot and there is a red dot. And we know that after you get your red dot, we are allowed to come and recover that vector candle. Okay? Cool. Are we good in this hella manipulated range? Are we chilling? Are we Gucci? Speed Racer says you have a lot of #1 rules. Thank you. I know green is vector candle, but you mean green box, not green candle. There's a green box. Oh, the green box is just, it just shows you that that vector has been untapped. I don't have that on because I don't need it. I can see where the vectors are. Geo, party before giveaway. Should we hit our party? All right, guys, listen, y'all know what time it is then. Y'all heard the man. Which one should we do? We got a few. Which one should we do? Crashing. Should we go OG? Should we go OG, Dak? What do you think, bro? You can't access the Discord, requires number verification, and it doesn't allow you. Man, honestly, as much as I want to say, I don't know how to get around that. we had like reasons why we had to do that. So I really don't know what else to say besides that. I'm sorry, like I don't know. Maybe reach out to one of the mods and they can maybe figure something out. I have no idea. I have literally no idea. All right, mod to a flame, guys. Listen, we need your help. Bro, start messing with the namey indicator. Someone actually gave me that indicator. I have it. Yeah, they gave me that indicator. I don't know what it is though. Oh, I had it. I don't know if I have it anymore, but I had it. He seems like he's... Yeah, bro, reach out to the mod. Maybe the mods can help you. Let's see if you're here. Which one are you? Oh, here. Yo, my mods. Can you guys I don't know, man. We have to lock it down. We have to. Wait, we gotta do this again, guys. Listen. To my new people here, welcome. My name is Ju, and every single day I teach you guys how to trade the or how to build a narrative, and I teach you guys why the money moves the way that it does. Okay, why does the price move? And I teach you guys to follow the money and not to draw the triangles. And so, for my OGs, I need the social proof, guys. If I provided you value in any single way, I've helped. Ooh, why is my treadmill stopping? I've helped open your eyes to the market makers. I've helped you with vector candles. I've helped you with market cipher or anything else, baby. Let's get those fire emojis in the chat. Let's go. Does he know the picture that you keep? What does he know your heart? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies. Fire emojis, fire emojis. With him, fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis. Let's see him, baby. Cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all your friends say he's the one. His love for you. Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis. Does he know you call me when he sleeps? Does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason? Guys, I want to see 10,000 of them. 10,000 of them. Shouts out to Eric. He knows where your heart lies, where it truly lies. Does he know the reasons that you cry? Tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies. Bam! It's okay. It's okay, Iggy. I know, oh, I'm echoing now. It's okay, bro. I know you got me, bro. I know you got me. I know you got me, man. All right, so, I mean, look, guys. BTC, baby. BTC, baby. What do we know? What do we know? What's the #1 rule when you have a red dot? You could recover the vector. Are we going to recover it? I don't know. Oh, I'm still big on the screen. Why didn't y'all tell me that? Okay, guys, listen. We're going to do the second giveaway, and then I'm going to get gone, all right? I got work to do. So, we hit 215 likes. Thank you guys very much. We're going to do the second giveaway now. And the second giveaway, guys and girls, you are allowed to choose whichever boot camp you want. You are allowed to choose a 3-month subscription to my VIP section if you are the winner, okay? So, here's what we gonna do. Shouts out to Con, says he sent the fireman. Too much fire in here. This is what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do right now? Let's do something fun. Do y'all have Twitter? Do y'all have Twitter? You know what? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do something different for this one. We're gonna do something different for this one. Okay? Alright. Alright. You need some late night radio DJ voice? Guys, when I stream, I talk in my DJ voice. I go, good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? And then I lose my voice as a result of it. Every single time. Okay, guys, this is what we're gonna do. Should we do Twitter? Should we do Twitter? Irwan Chandra says too much talk. Oh, I am sorry, Irwan Chandra. I talk a lot. I apologize. To absolutely fucking nobody. The double champ does what he wants. All right, guys, this is what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna do a video on Twitter, and you guys are gonna see my extremely messy setup right now. But this is what we're gonna do. This one's gonna be on Twitter, guys. Look, oh baby, Twitter, what's up? Chat, hello, guys. We are about to do a bootcamp giveaway for one of my 4 bootcamps. We're live right now on YouTube. 1,100 views. Super lit. Guys, repost this tweet. You must be following me. Let's do this giveaway, baby. Hey guys, I'm gonna tweet that right now. Go over to Twitter. Make sure you're following me. And make sure you repost it for the chance to win the giveaway. Giveaway time. And whoever, I'm gonna pick a retweeter in like 10 minutes. Bootcamp / VIP Discord giveaway. Alert. Guys, you guys know, man, we gotta grow as much as we can. I'm sorry for doing this, but I'm also giving y'all shit for free, so y'all know how it goes. Repost and follow to enter. Winner is picked in 10. Actually, we'll leave that. To enter. Okay, guys, my YouTube or my Twitter, by the way. Oh, not to me. Okay. I'm about to say, bro, like I talk a lot. Shouts out to Frankie Candles, by the way, because he also talks a lot, and I think that if him and I ever got on stream, bro, oh man, you guys wouldn't even have 1 second of dead air. He's like the only one that I know that talks as much as me. Guys, look, what do we know, man? When you have a red dot on market, I'm like so mad at you guys. When you have a red dot on market Cipher B, you look to the left and you find the vector candles. Why are you drawing triangles? I'm sorry, I'm not yelling, guys. Listen, everybody go to my Twitter. Twitter.com. Oh, that's not Twitter. Twitter.com. Oh, that's also kind of Twitter. Twitter.com. Okay. Twitter.com. I'll post a link. TraderGeo _YT. Okay. _ YouTube. Get over there. Hit the repost, baby. We're doing the giveaway. Don't mind my messy ass desk. Did I leak any information that I shouldn't have leaked? I don't think so. I don't think I did. You all see how I'm sweating, man? Okay. Oh no. Oh, never mind. This is copyright free. Ooh. I thought we were about to be copyright stricken. Stricken. Officially schlong. Shouts out to Candles Don't Lie. Officially schlong. All right, guys, listen. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go pee because I've been drinking this guy. I'm gonna hit you with a banger. And then we're gonna do a giveaway. And then we're gonna say peace out. That's gonna be the game plan. So, be right back. Friendos, give me 1 minute, 2 minutes. 2 minutes tops. Be right back. I'll give you something better to look at. Your YouTube. When you have a red dot, you look to the left. What did I say? BRB, friendos. We are going to be doing the giveaway in 8 minutes, okay? It's 4:17.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. We're running out of time. I really thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. Crashing, hit a wall. Right now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Don't let me I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah.
Guys, I goofed. I should have put the YouTube link in that. I'm so stupid. Okay. Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Okay, so we know when you have a red dot, we're on the 5 minute. You got to look to the left and say that vector candle can get recovered. So where can we long from? Let's just say we didn't long. Let's just say we didn't long, which we didn't. I didn't long because I'm here for you guys, giving away all of my millions of dollars, streaming for you guys. We could long there. We have a nice 5 minute order block. That probably coincides with our golden pocket. Oh, look at that. We have a golden pocket and we have an order block at the same spot. So maybe that's your long, guys. Oh, that's so nasty. I'm not gonna read that comment. 4.1k subs, let's get it, baby. Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Bouncing off a nice breaker right now. Yeah. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Listen, we said one of the first things I said, guys, was it's not uncommon when you're ranging like this and your Bollinger bands are getting ugly like this, are contracting, to sweep the low and then sweep the high. This is a confirmed SFP. So Don't let me down, 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 down. 5-minute vector broke above the 50 EMA. We can continue. We can continue higher. Yeah. We have an SFP of the low, guys. And just like we SFP'd the high and we finally hit the target, we are absolutely able to make it to the high now. And we got a lot of liquidity. We have a lot of reason to come up higher. So let's see. Not to say that we will, but how do I find order blocks? And are you on a walking pad or treadmill? I'm on a walking pad, I guess. I mean, it's called under the desk treadmill. God, go to sleep, bro. Go to sleep. I find order blocks. I have a boot camp for it. I'm not gonna get too into detail on order blocks because that is my premium content. Premium content. That's my OnlyFans content right there. I wanna make love right now, nah, nah. I wanna make love right now, nah. Wish we never broke up right now, nah, nah. We need to link up right now, nah, nah. I want you to die with me, want you to fly. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. All right, guys, what time is it? How many retweets do we have? Yeah, I'm feeling all right. All right, we got 39 reposts. Beautiful. You guys should like the Twitter giveaways more because you have better odds. You got better odds on this one. Okay, guys, this is how it's going to work, okay? This is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna do a random number generator, and then it's gonna give me a random number, and I'm gonna start from the bottom, okay? Because when new subscribers come, they come from the top. So if I get like 4, for example, then Alpha Farmer is going to be the winner. When did I become gay? It was kind of recent, honestly. It was kind of recent. It was like 2 weeks ago. Maybe 2.5, but my parents don't know yet, so don't tell them. You gotta finish your smoke before bed. God, you gotta go to bed, bro. You gotta go to bed, dude. Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. Did this sweep a high? Ooh, exact double top. Interesting. What about Binance? What happened here? Oh, Binance swept the high. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I trust that everybody would have reposted by now. So, was it when CryptoFace? Yeah, bro. CryptoFace came into the chat and complimented my eyebrows. It was in that moment I knew. Yo, shouts out to CryptoFace, man. He is sick. He's a sick dude. Oh, I want something. Hail, you are the winner, my friend. You can choose whichever boot camp you want, sir. Or you can choose to have 3 months free of my VIP section in my Discord, where I give multiple updates a day. I give multiple live streams per day. And we got the VIP Lounge, which chills in there all day long. So if you're ever struggling trading, or you don't want to trade alone, or you want some friends and whatever, then there you go. And let me just say, man, we got winners in there, okay? We got winners in there for 2 reasons. Number 1, now that VIP is paid, and I'm kind of speaking to everybody here, now that VIP is paid, the only people that are in there are the people that want to be in there, and the people that are willing to pay for it. So people are actually want to learn, and they're actually engaging, and they don't gaslight you, and they're not negative and whatever. And number 2, and I'm gonna hold this true forever, if you suck as a person, if you're shitty, if you're a shitty person, if you're condescending and you're laughing at people that disagreed with you, let's say they shorted and you longed, and and then they get wrecked and you're condescending about it, you're an asshole. I don't care about your $30 a month. I am going to boot your ass so fast. Okay? We will call it unsportsmanlike conduct. Because I need only winners. I need only winners around me. If you suck, get out of here. We don't need you. So, Richard, my friend, I need you to do me a favor. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. Can you even DM me? I'm going to write hi. There you go. You are the winner, my friend. Let me know what you want. If you want a boot camp or if you want the boot camp or if you want the VIP. 3 months VIP. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. I'll message me your name on Twitter. Message me your name in the Discord. And I'll get that sorted for you. Guys, this has been a great stream. It's been 2 hours. I think I'm going to keep streaming on Sundays because I had a good ass time. And we had a really good engagement, to be honest. So, I appreciate y'all. Yeah, Eric. Shit happens, bro. I only got time for winners, man. If you're a loser, you can bounce. I don't need you here. In the nicest way, man. I like to think that I give, and I like to think that if I'm good, people will be good, and if you're shitty, I don't need your $30. Go take it and go join another group. No problem. Guys, that's it for the stream. Congratulations to the winners. Thanks for kicking it on a Sunday with me. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the day with your families. And as always, my friendos, my VIPs, I will see you later today. Everybody else, I will see you tomorrow in the morning. Hit the like button. Hit the sub button. Hit the love button. And now that the giveaway's done, you guys can unrepost. No, I'm just joking. Please don't do that. Guys, have a good one. Listen, discipline in the gym equals discipline in the charts. And my friends, stay disciplined. I'll catch y'all later.
Set my heart on fire.